People often ask why they should choose me as their real estate professional to buy a home over the sea of other agents in Colorado. Well, here are 6 reasons why I might just be the perfect fit to helping you out. Firstly, I excel at assisting people in their search for new homes and utilize the top software on the market to generate lists of properties that check all of the boxes. 2, I am a professional negotiator, and last year was able to save my clients the equivalent of hundreds of thousands of dollars in price reductions, while also acquiring interest rate buydowns to get monthly payments down by hundreds and sometimes even thousands of dollars per month. Number 3, despite not having decades of experience, I am a top producing realtor on the Griffith Home Team at RE/MAX Professionals, which is the #1 team and brokerage in Colorado. Due to this, I have a firm grasp of what it takes to buy a home in today's market compared to previous markets and eras. Number 4, my staff includes full-time transaction, listing, marketing, and operation coordinators to ensure each transaction is a smooth one. I also partner with a leading market analyst and home inspector so that my clients are not only getting the best deal, but are also buying a home that is in good shape. Number 5, my team spends well over $100,000 per year on client appreciation events, just to say thank you to those who have let us assist them on their home buying journey. We also have a free moving truck that our clients can use whenever they need it. And lastly, I pride myself on being available before, during, and after the transaction. I am not the realtor who will disappear when the deal is done just to magically reappear years later when you're looking to sell. I see our relationship as a lifelong partnership and work very hard to treat it that way. I look forward to helping you soon.